Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay using Klarna payment. Klarna is a popular payment method that allows you to pay for your purchases in a flexible and secure way. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to pay using Klarna. First, you need to make sure that the online store you are shopping at accepts Klarna as a payment method. You can usually find this information on the store's website or at the checkout page. Once you have confirmed that Klarna is accepted, you can proceed to the checkout page and select Klarna as your payment method. Next, you will be redirected to the Klarna website where you will need to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth. You will also need to provide your payment information, such as your credit or debit card details. This information is used to verify your identity and to process your payment. After you have provided the required information, you will be presented with a payment plan. This plan will outline the amount you need to pay, the payment due dates, and any interest or fees associated with the payment. You can choose to pay in full at the time of purchase, or you can opt for a payment plan that allows you to pay in installments. Once you have selected your payment plan, you will need to confirm your payment details and agree to the terms and conditions. You will then receive a confirmation email from Klarna with details of your payment plan and any upcoming payments. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late fees or interest charges. You can log into your Klarna account at any time to view your payment schedule and make payments. You can also contact Klarna customer support if you have any questions or concerns about your payment plan. In conclusion, paying with Klarna is a straightforward and secure process. By following these steps, you can enjoy the flexibility and convenience of paying for your purchases over time. Remember to always review your payment plan carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any additional charges. With Klarna, you can shop with confidence and enjoy a hassle-free payment experience.